Hi, my name is Benoît Le Bouteiller. I'm a psychoanalyst and also I'm director of the IIP, the International Institute of Psychoanalysis. April the 12th, I'm going to give a series of lectures in São Paulo, Brazil, in a beautiful space. And also it's going to be online with a translation in French and in English. During these lectures, I'm going to share with you some of my last researches, mostly based on the last theoretical articulation of Jacques Lacan. And also I will give a talk on ethical questions. What would be the psychoanalysis for today, in our days? We will close this series with a clinical case. So please, I will be very glad to see you there in São Paulo or online. See you.